Dito na kami sa Ocean Park. Jaco, you say hi. Nakabili na kasi kami ng ticket sa online sa mismong website ng Ocean Park. So, ipapascan na lang namin and then pasok muna kami and then kakain muna. So, 12:30 kami nakarating dito. Few minutes pa lang naman. It's now 12:35. So, few minutes pa lang. Nakaupo pa lang namin dito sa kakainan namin. Hindi ko alam kung ano to kung anong pangalan. Ito. So, naka-order na si Daddy. Sa akin is grilled shrimp. Kaya ako yung grilled din ba sa kanya? Grilled chicken?
Thai fillet.
Ha?
Thai fillet.
Yun, Thai fillet. Ano sa'yo? Ano in-order mo? Okay.
Hindi pala sa'yo, 15 minutes.
15 minutes pa. Gutom pa naman na ako. So, si Daddy pati kay Jaco, same sila ng order. Tapos, cheese, ano yun? Yeah, blueberry cheesecake. You know, my favorite, blueberry cheesecake. Oh, what do you wanna say?
Dada no chocolate kabando with OSC.
Jaco Richon Cabo. What's about Jaco Richon Cabo? Ha?
Ano was the way? Pasaway.
Pasaway? Bakit pasaway? Yes, you're gonna say. Yan na yung order nila, Daddy. Same sila ng order. Masarap daw yung mashed potato, sabi ni Daddy. Then, ito pa lang yung sa akin. Yung blueberry cheesecake. Malaki naman yung slice nila, pero medyo mahal, 275. Tapos yung kila Draco. Magkano yung sa inyo, Dad?
Wala na ako.
Ha?
Ang mura ko eh. Magkaroon ka. 11,300.
At dahil wala pa yung ulam ko, 15 minutes pa daw. So, try muna natin to. Cheesecake muna yung kakainin natin. Oo. Show it din yung pagkain mo. Okay. Show din niya daw yung food niya. Chicken. Alright. Okay, eat na ka. Yeah, show. Okay, Daddy rin daw. Okay, Daddy, show mo din daw food mo. There you go. Okay po. Okay. Okay naman.
Ano mas potato?
Oo. Our chicken. Yes. Can I have some chicken? This one muna. Okay lang. Iron Man?
Where's Iron Man? No? Iron Man. No?
What's Iron Man? Ito! Daddy! Daddy! Ano ba yan? No. Iron Man! Right. That's Iron Man, right? Ito na yung order ko. Tapos may seafood. Ilang piraso siya? 2, 4, 6. 6 pieces na shrimp. Tapos may mashed potato. So ito din. Napakita na natin yung food mo. Ayan, kay Draco. Okay, so let's eat. Yeah, mamaya. Eat mo na ikaw. Eat mo na. So let's taste this. Yung shrimp nila may lasa talaga. Lasa talaga yung pagka-grill. Tapos, malambot yung shrimp. So it's nice.
Papa.
Apo. Yeah. Medyo pricey lang yung ano dito. Yung food. Kasi itong order namin na lahat, ano na to eh. 1-4-ish. Di ba, Daddy? Exactong 1-4. So, it's a bit pricey.
Eh?
Di ba okay?
Hindi naman nga okay, pero it's a bit pricey. Yeah. Retro Grill Diner. Yun yung pangalan na kinainan namin sa tapat ng H2O Hotel entrance. Pasok na tayo sa Oceanarium. May bayad po yan? Yan pala yung kung ano, yung di ba may claim area for mga photos. Optional daw kung ano yun. Jaka, come here. Are you excited to see a lot of fish? Dolphins. Wow! Go, let's go there, let's go there. Tingnan mo, dami oh. Fish! Ayaw niya mag-stop? Oh no! You see that? Seahorse! What is that? What is that? Oh no! Seahorse! Sino? Seahorse! Nami, seahorse! Hi, fish! Come on! You say hi to fish!
Hi, fish!
You say hi lang!
Hi, fish! Hi, fish! Fish!
See? Is the fish sleeping? You say hi!
Mama! Look! Look at it! Scary!
Is it scary? Oh!
Water fish! Go!
Let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Come on, let's go!
Toy? Go! Wow!
Wow! Oh, picture ka dyan eh! Picture! Here! Jaco, that is so squishy. Hindi mo. Squishy. You like this? How much is this?
Green or
What color do you want?
Where?
See?
The baby the fish shot the
Yeah.
main butterfly.
Yes.
No free day. Wow!
Wow.
No!
Uy, are you sleeping? Guys, are you sleeping?
No way! I am free!
Ayaw mo ng fish? Later, there are dolphins. We can see dolphins later. You like that? Yes?
Oh no!
Oh no!
Help! Help!
Help? Why? Why?
Oh no!
Oh no!
Need help!
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. Is the fish crying? Oh no! The fish! It's asking for help.
No move! I need a more stuff!
Ayaw niya?
Oh no! This is a guy!
Crying siya? Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! Why?
It's going!
Crying yung mga fishes?
Oh no! Oh no!
Are they crying?
Yeah.
Yes.
Running, running.
Running ka. Oh. Dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan.
Oh no!
Watch your steps.
Look at this! They're running!
Look at this!
Wow! Wow! Big Dumpy! Big Dumpy! Wow!
Wow!
That's mommy.
Yes,
Mommy,
yes.
see? Are you?
Oh, a big fish. That's a huge.
Oh no!
That's huge.
Oh no!
Oh no, what happened?
But what's up? Walk it!
Is it broken?
Walk it!
Broken daw.
No, walk it! No, walk it! No, walk it! No, no, no! I thought you free! Oh no! Wow!
Ito? Oh, talaki. So, kinakain pala sila. Jacko, let's go. Jacko, watch your steps,
Look
ah.
at it! Snake! Snake!
What?
Snake!
Ayan, oh, tingnan mo, daddy, oh.
Ahas.
Ahas yan? La, ano yan? That's so creepy. Ay, may ahas nga. Ayun. That's a snake. Ayun, oh, yung puti.
Ano yun?
Laki, oh. Let's see this duck. Ah, eel. Eel. Daddy eel. Come on, come on. Diyan, here, oh. Oh, you see, oh. Ay, sleeping sila na. This is eel.
Oh no!
Eel.
Oh
Social
no!
pala nila yan.
Yeah.
Oh no!
As in, sa kanila yan, sila gumawa niyan? O nilagay lang dyan?
Ay, hindi mukhang nilagay.
Oh no!
Ayos pala yan.
Oh no!
Saan sila natutulog?
Oh, no.
Eel, yeah. Ano na can you see, oh? Can you see, oh? They are sleeping.
No!
Come on, ay, doon anak ko. Nakapunta na ba tayo doon?
No! Nugget! Nugget! Hanamin! Nice! The mommy and fish!
Daming fish, no?
Sipi! Sipi!
Yeah. The eels are sleeping. You say hi to
Hi!
Oh!
Tingin?
Ay, gusto niya din ng coins. Si hahagis siya sa crocodile. Oh, okay, okay. Draco. Ha? Na? Iso lang naman eh. O, go. Oh. Picture ka ni daddy. Picture ka ni daddy.
Ate!
Dali. Hold.
Ate, mami!
Halika. Buhat kita. Buhat. Buhat.
Ay!
Buhat kita.
Ate! Hot!
Ay, wag
Shoot!
na.
Shoot! Shoot!
Ikaw nga magsushoot. Buhat kita. Buhat ka ni mami. Dali. Ay, wag na. Wag na.
Shoot! Shoot!
Wag na. Wag na. You shoot. You shoot. You shoot. Come on.
Mama!
Go. Come on. Oh, ang galing. Ang galing.
Daddy, daddy, daddy,
Wala na tayong pera.
Mami to, mami to.
Wala na nga tayong pera. Sayang yun.
Ma!
Touch mo daw yung fish, Dad.
Wala, itong katakot sa akin.
Ayaw?
Ayaw.
Ayaw, ayaw. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Tita! Bye! Hello! Hello! Hello, Dad. Please! Oh no! Look at this! Daddy! Nine! Nine! Tito! Tito! Mommy fish.
Oh, dito dali. Oh, dito dali. Oh, come on, come on. Come on.
Scary.
Hey. Come on, stand up
Go,
here.
go.
Stand up here.
Two.
Oh,
Ochi.
see, oh. Shark yan, Daddy. Mga shark yan?
Oo, maliliit.
Oh, baby shark. Nak, baby shark, oh. Come on. Di ba you like baby shark? Come on, oh. You see, oh. Baby shark. You like baby shark?
No.
Ha? Come on.
Let's go.
You don't like it, na?
Daddy, go.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be.
Jaco, there's a lot of toys here.
Ooh. Stop. Daddy.
Ay, Daddy, nakita niya na naman yung squishy. Daddy. Daddy, there's a squishy here. Oh, no.
Ayaw. Ayaw ka siya.
Ayaw mo yan.
Water.
Ay, no.
Jaco,
Water.
Jaco. Squishy. Ayaw.
Marunong na, no? Ayun, i-choose na. I-select.
Maliit lang to. Ay, ano kasi paano?
Wow.
At
Toy.
sa balloon. At sa ano nakakataw dito? Ay, ang mahal naman ito, 320. Yeah.
Kuya Elia.
Show ito, Daddy. Daddy, I got a lizard. Hi, dito, Daddy, oh. Come on.
Wow, Kuya.
Wow. Diyan yung kanina, anak. Diyan yung kanina. Come on. Diyan yung kanina eh.
Oh no. It's green.
Dulo na. Ito na yun? Dulo na prato. Mukha na malaki sa salamin.
Let's go. Don't touch it.
Scary.
Yeah.
Oh no. What is that? Woo! Woo!
Come on, let's go.
Uy. Bang! Better. Achamba.
Don't cry.
Oh no! Shimmy, toy! Toy!
May toy na naman.
Meron ka ng toy.
You got a lizard na, di ba? Put it back. You got a lizard na.
Oh no!
go.
Put it.
Oh, turtle, anak. Turtle. You see, oh. Joko, turtle.
No!
Turtle. See?
No more! Ayaw!
Ayaw mo sila? Why?
Sippy!
Oh, they are sleeping.
Oh no!
Here. What can we see here? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Oh no!
No. Where did Daddy go? Huh? It's waiting. Where did Daddy go? Where did Daddy? Ayun.
Daddy! Mommy! No, you went away! Water! Water, Daddy!
Hey.
What's that? Sorry,
Daddy!
Joko! Lizard, anak. Lizard pala to na. Blue tree monitor. Lizard. Joko, a huge lizard. You see? The tail of the lizard is so long. Oh no.
Go there, you stop.
Yeah. He crawl. Lizard crawl up there. Right.
Oh no!
Oh no, snake.
The sheep is snake.
Snake is sleeping. Hey. Dito kami ngayon sa Garden Cafe. Minit ang ulo ni Daddy. Jaco! Oh, you eat a bread.
Mommy?
I smoke kayo sa akin. Tapos kay Daddy is... Ano you say, Dad?
tubig.
Ice tubig.
Oh,
Ice tubig.
no.
Matabang kasi.
Well.
Okay naman. Nalalasan ko naman yung mukha. Sit down kasi.
Hey!
You're eating eh.
No, eat.
I'll give you bread.
Wow.
Kasi nga matigas eh.
Hmm.
Oh.
Ang
Sige. Tikman mo yun sa akin. May lasang mocha naman. Ano yung sa'yo?
Ice chocolate. Parang ganyan, lagyan ng kape.
Matabang nga yun sa'yo. Ang tabang sa'yo. Ito kahit pa paano may mukha-mukha pa. Diba?
Kape kasi.
Mo. Mama mo.
More bread. Okay.
Nine.
Hindi na ito babalik si Daddy sa Ocean Park.
Hindi na.
Kasi buna lang.
Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam.
Are you enjoying? Ang dami mo nakita ng fish. Daming fish. Daming animals, no? You see a lot of animals. You see turtle. Jellyfish. Later, you'll see birds. You want to see birds?
I want buffet.
More bread? Okay po. Are you hungry?
More.
Kain pa tayo sa kitay.
I want more.
Hindi sila muna. Yan ang pilitan. Pwede mo tayong kumain din sa sa Abbott's Coffee na lang. Para nakapagbiyahe na tayo. Okay, sa bahay na lang. Kumakain ka pa lang, pagkain naman iniisip mo.
Mama mo.
Pagkain na isip ng Daddy.
Mama.
Ha?
Nagutom nga pa si Jack.
Soup?
Siyempre, dami yung nilakad din eh.
Soup?
Hindi mo sila pabukas eh.
Soup?
Ha?
Soup? I want more.
Ito pa oh.
You want to order
Sino ka?
pa ako?
Sit down.
Huwag na.
Sit.
Sorry, kumain siya ako eh. Kailan kasi hindi kayo gutom, ayaw naman pumunta rito eh. Gutom ka. Konti. Also, busog pa ako eh. Pero may kumpis siya.
Oh, ito na. Oh.
Cabbage eh.
Hmm.
Sinasubukan ko lang.
Show ito din yung lizard mo na.
Nakita yun ah.
Hindi pa kasi nakaano yan. O, open mo na yung lizard mo. Come on. Open yung lizard.
Ayaw.
Ayaw, ayaw. O, ang tigas nga naman anak, ano?
Unoy! You're open.
No?
Rubber lizard to eh.
Rubber?
Oh no!
Ayun, kadiri. Kadiri, oh. Oh? Parang lizard talaga, oh. Takot siya, takot. Scary, scary.
Okay.
Sit down ko lang, sit down ko lang. Sit down na. Show it to them.
Hindi, mami,
Show,
mami will eat lizard.
dali, show mo yung lizard mo sa kanila. Dali, oo.
Mami eat lizard.
Baka managamon. Show mo yung, show it to them. Show it to them yung lizard. Come on. Show it to them. Show it to them. Oh, come on. Show it to them. Show it to them. Ganun ka. Show it to them.
Ano puta yun?
Tadita! Tata, mami daw.
Oh.
Ang puti.
1, 2, 3.
Get mo lizard. Get mo.
Ayaw yung tigagagaliya. Ayaw.
Ah, dali na. Get mo na yung lizard.
Ayaw!
Yako, who's that?
Oh.
Ay, dito sa mga.
Sabi! Kay mami! Kay daddy!
Get mo.
Tatita! 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 Tatita!
Dito kami ngayon sa PTEX. So, first time ko dito is in. Ang last ko dito, yung natatrabaho pa ako as in wala pang ganito. Wala pa nga to. Wala akong maalala. Kakagising lang ni Draco. Draco. Hindi ko na yung matandaan. At all. Ay, oo, parang naalala ko na yung pauwi, bumili tayo na ano, pero hindi pa siya ganito. Hindi pa yung ganito. Wala akong malalang ganito. Yan, ang daming ano na dito, as in, ang dami na siyang, alam mo, para siyang ano, semi-airport. Parang gano'n ang datingan. Oo. Hindi, semi-airport ang dating. Di ba? Parang ganito. Oo naman. Better talaga to. Chick and juicy. Hopia. Ito, okay ba to? Hopia and tikoy. Ay. Shawarma siya. Parang ano yun eh, no? Kung gusto mo mag-food trip dito, no?
Oo. Actually, pwede nga dito ka tumakoy. Sabihin na lang.
Food trip sa PTEX. Dito kami ngayon sa ano, sa McDo. Mag-take out na lang kami. Wala nang ano walang drinks ha. Tapos ipa-upgrade mo na lang yung ano, yung price sa large. We are home, Jaco.
Minute.
You say, we're home.
Moja, Pucci, Scooter.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Macho, Bucci, Scooter. So, we're home. 7:35 na. And we just got home. Like, 2 minutes pa lang kami nandito sa bahay. Sobrang bilis lang ng biyahe namin. Kasi ang nangyari, 6:80 nandun kami sa terminal. Sa bus, actually, nakasakay kami. Then, like, mga 2 minutes lang. Parang ganun, Dad, no? Umalis na agad. Nagbukas pa talaga ng So, after mga 2 minutes lang, umalis na agad yung driver kasi may emergency siya. So, narinig namin sige na, dalhin nyo na sa hospital, gumagano yung driver, may kausap sa telephone. So, sana kung ano man yung emergency ng driver, okay lang siya. Jax, ang ingay naman. Yun. So, pahinga lang muna konti din. We're gonna take a bath. Si Draco, pupunasan ko na lang yan siya. It's now 9:20 p.m. and nakaligo na ako. Si Draco, na punasan ko na siya. And then si Daddy din nakaligo na. So, we are all cleaned up and ready to sleep. Right? We're gonna sleep na po, di ba? Yes.
Bye.
Wait. Did you enjoy Ocean Park? Yes? Yes. What did you see in the Ocean Park? Like, baby shark, right? We saw baby shark, right? We saw birds, right? We finished the bird show, right?
Oh
no, what? And then pala, hindi na kami nanood ng Sea Lion show. So, after ng bird show, naghintay lang kami ng kaunti, parang mga 3 to 5 minutes, ganyan. Then sabi ni Daddy, uwi na daw kami kasi parang inaantok na siya. And that time naman, sumakit yung puson ko. So, ayun, nagkataon na sabi ko, sige, na tayo? Uwi na tayo. And then, sakto naman, meron akong Advil sa bag ko. So, ayun, uminom ako. Tapos yung nasa bus naman na kami. Actually, parang nasa Pitex pa lang kami. Medyo nawala na yung sakit ng puson ko. So, ayun.
Okay.
Ayun. Tapos, ikaw, Daddy, did you enjoy Ocean Park?
Yeah. The sea.
But madaming nagbago.
Pumangit. Pero, pwede naman. Nag-enjoy pa rin yung mga first-timers.
Kasi kami dalawa ni Daddy, second time na namin. Sa Jaco, syempre, first time.
Third
We
time ko
went, third time niya na pala kasi una sa family, kasama niya family niya. And then, we went there ni Daddy, 2nd natin, Dad, no? Second
14.
anniversary.
2014.
Yeah, that was 2014. October of 2015. Ang nawala, kasi ang hinanap talaga namin, akala nga ni Daddy yung Christmas Village. Akala niya doon yung Snow Village dati, yung sobrang lamig. Sasuot ka ng jacket, yun. Wala yun, akala niya namin doon sa may Christmas Village. So, wala na siya. Kasi isa nga yung sa nagustuhan ko din noon, na ang lamig-lamig kasi talaga. So, yun, remove na nila. And then, yung bird show, dati, meron sila nun, kumbaga parang ang natatandaan ko yung mga birds and butterfly dati is nandoon sa right side pagkapasok mo ng entrance. Tapos ang setup niya ngayon parang jungle, ganyan. So, wala na yun, iniba na din nila. Tapos, wala na yung fountain show, which is yun yung pinakamaganda talaga, na nakaka-enjoy. Tapos mababasa ka pa nga eh. 'Di ba, Daddy, may nagsusot ka pa ng kapote doon dati, 'di ba? Doon sa parang nila, stage nila. So wala na din yun.
Bird show na lang, tsaka Sea Lion show.
Yun na lang.
Tapos marami kang makikita nagsiswimming.
Oo. nagsiswimming. Siguro yun yung dahilan kung bakit tinanggal na nila yung fountain show. Kasi nga, ginawa na nilang swimming pool yung paligid. Then sa likod nun, nandun yung H2O hotel nila. 'Di ba? So, yun na. Ganun na ang naging setup. Mas gusto ko yung mga attraction nung dati kesa ngayon. But, syempre, wala naman tayong magagawa. It is what it is. Hala, pawis si Jack. Oh, nandun pa kasi kami sa labas kanina kaya pinapawisan siya. So, anyway, that's our vlog for today. Ang mahalaga, nag-enjoy si Draco. Draco, did you enjoy Ocean Park? Yes. You say yes. You say mo, say.
Ay, you see.
You wanna go back to Ocean Park? Ha? Huh? Or you say yeah. Yes.
Simple.
Ocean Park. Yan. So, ang mahalaga naman, nag-enjoy siya. Talaga kasi, mainly, syempre, that's for Draco. Naman talaga. Yan. So, that's our vlog for tonight or for today. Oh, you say bye-bye na, Draco.
Bye-bye, Taco.
Say bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye, Daddy. Good night.
Bye.